Hey, it's Scott. Happy Tuesday, coming to you live from my home in Sugarloaf with another Make Money Online 2024. And this is hands-free, yes, automated. As you can see, I have here $25,000 trophy from this system that's generating $800, $2,400, and $4,000 commissions. And it's very consistent, and I'm going to show you why it's consistent. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get a one level upgrade. So meaning you start here, you go to here, or you start here, you go to be active for those big $4,000 commissions. Now, what is this? It's called online consistent marketing, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my my back office right here right now for you, and I'm going to show you exactly what you get. And it's very simple. It's a traffic membership. I am a diamond member, so I am able to get $4,000 instant commissions that my team makes for me, right? And let me show you a little bit more about that. So in the description below, you're going to see a link, and you're going to click on it. It's going to bring you here, and you're going to get on my email list. Once you're on my email list, you're going to be able to see everything and get all the deals, and actually show you how I fired my boss in 2016. Yes, I was a cable guy. So now you're going to go to here, but I'm walking you through this step by step. Once you put your email address in here, yes, this is step by step affiliate marketing. Make Money Online 2024 is the second half of January. Let's pump up 2024. Now, it's going to take you to this. All you're going to want to do is watch this 14-minute video, okay? Remember, it works because this is my 10K trophy that they sent me, and currently my 50K trophy's on the way. Once you watch this, you're going to want to see what the product is, and it is traffic. We all need advertising, and this it's an advertising company that you can advertise for any business, including this business. Yes, we all need advertising, and I'm going to show you how to get 30% off advertising here, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that after you watch that video, and it's going to take you over here to the VSL page, okay? And what is the VSL page? This is where this video here, this 12-minute, 52-second video explains the product, okay? And what do I like about this? They do all the work. Yes, you send the eyeballs, they close your sales. So your name would be here, right? So right now, what you're going to want to do, after you review, of course, when you review this, and you come to here, you're going to want to review this whole page, because we do have, if I scroll all the way down to the end of this page, we have click here to see how you could qualify for zero out of pocket. And when you click on here, it's going to give you options and your next steps if you want to start your business, right, without any money out of your pocket. But either way, this is the owner right here and his family. They're down in Florida. This has been here since August of 2022. I've been with it for 6 months, and it's changed my life in a way of I could do more things to help my team. And I'm going to show you that the bonuses I have at the end, but I really want to show you the success everyone else is having here. Another $6,400 week here, okay? And you don't need to have any special skills to start earning $800, $2,400, or $4,000 commissions. Yes, you can even get checks mailed to you, okay? You will get paid on each and every person you sign up. So say you came in at the 800, you got bumped up to the 24. So this is 1,000, 3,000, 5,000. The commission payout is 800 to the member, 2,400 to the member, 4,000 to the member. Say you came in at the 800, and I'll show you, if you do what I show you for the one level bump, if someone came in at the 4,000, you're only at the 24,000 because you started at the 1,000, right? And you went to the $3,000 product level. What's going to happen here is you're still going to get 2,400, and the rest of that will go to your sponsor, which would be me when you're joining underneath me. Now, what are the products? So I showed you the product. I showed you my back office briefly. I'll take you there. But level 1, 1,000. So you're going to get 10% off of your traffic purchases. Yes, this is premium traffic that builds my email list, and we'll build it for you. And I have a bonus at the end that's going to help you even automate it more for traffic on top of your, they're going to give you up to a 20% overage, okay? So level 1, you're going to get a 10% overage. But if you start at level 1 and you follow what you need, the system I'm going to show you, if you start at level 1, you're going to go to level 2, you're going to get a 15% overage on your traffic. And I'm going to start your business, just so you know that. And I'm going to show you that in the next 2 minutes here. Level 3, you're going to get a 20% overage. All right, so here we go. So now that we have that, let's just make sure. There we go. All right, so now we're going to come back up here. As you can see, Michael in Alabama, 4,200 in 3 weeks. Yes, and it's very possible, as you can see, 25K trophy right here. As you can see right here, a 50K is on the way. The owner just notified me that it's on the way. We do 100% of the work. You keep the commissions. Yes, I'm going to start your business. You need to be consistent. Look at my business partner, Dan from Naples, Florida, okay? 12,800 in just 4 days. Yes, I've had $5,000 days with this. Doesn't mean you are going to have them, but they are very possible. And guess what? They are predictable when you're consistent, right? So we have huge bonuses here. I'm just going backwards with this because I wanted to show you the zero out of pocket. And look at this. We have an OCM member, Carol. This is by far the easiest and fastest way to make a six-figure income online, okay? And guess what, folks? Then you're going to call my team after reviewing this video and, of course, the product overview here so you understand what you're talking. When you leave my team a message, Bob and Gail are going to get back to you. All right, so now let me just show you what I wanted to show you here in the members area. As you can see, Diamond, if you have a Diamond traffic, guess what? You're getting 30% off. So, for instance, if I sent 1,000 clicks, that would be a regular price of $1,000 because a real click that of real people, because these are real documented people. Guess what, folks? You're gonna save that much money. And with my bonuses, when you start at the level 1, level 2, or level 3, I'm gonna send traffic. And I'm gonna show you now what your bonuses are. Then I'm gonna show you how you're gonna get bumped up from one level to the next. Meaning, if you start at level 1, you go to level 2. If you start at level 2, you go to level 3. And these are my value stacks, and I got these linked in here with OCM, and it's called Multiple Income Funnel. Now, Multiple Income Funnel is a customizable funnel right here, and what I'll do for you when you join me at Multiple Income Funnel, that link is below. You need this. This is an autoresponder. It's plug and play. It follows up for you, and the second income stream is online consistent money right here. And I'm going to set this up for you, so when we connect, there's going to be instructions below how to claim your bonuses. And there's going to be step-by-step below in the description. So take your time, go through it step-by-step. I'm going to do all this for you, and I'm also going to give you income stream number 3 on me, okay? And this list of documents, look at this. If you start at the first level, all right, in the income stream number 2 in MIF, if you don't want to do MIF, you're not going to get the, just remember, no one level upgrade. The only way you get one level upgrade is if you go through MIF. And what I'll show you here, and when I view my income streams, I'm going to show you that online consistent money's here, and I'm giving you the Powerline Hub free, okay? So you're going to have 4 income streams right here, and this is the traffic you need when you need it. But either way, I'm going to start your business, okay? So you're going to get, if you start at gold, you're going to go to the, you're going to get 100 premium clicks on me. If you join Multiple Income Funnel with me, not only am I going to do that, but I'm going to bump you up to the Platinum, which is the second level. And if you start at Platinum, you're going to get 200 premium traffic clicks from me to your link. Instructions are below. My team will send that out for you. Plus, income stream number 3 with the live email training I just had last night. And then if you start at Diamond, and if you did join me in Multiple Income Funnel, which is right here, Multiple Income Funnel, which is right here, $49 a month, $350 for the year. This runs everything for you. This presents the OCM for you, okay? This has everything you need, your links, your training. Yes, we have training in here. We have everything you need to succeed here, and it's a plug and play. No logging into autoresponders. This is just for beginners. So if you don't want all the bells and whistles, you want it simple, you're going to want to join Multiple Income Funnel, because guess what, folks? You start at the second level, all right? Then you're going to be bumped up to 4,000. But only if you do the bump up is only for Multiple Income Funnel if you're in there. And the free income streams with additional, as you can see, look at here at the Platinum at number 2. You're going to be able to earn an additional 100, 250, and 500 that this system makes for you, because Multiple Income Funnel is the engine, right, that runs this system, okay? And when people come to multiple income funnel, they're going to see your OCM, they're going to take action, right? And they're going to call your team right here. They're going to call the team because your name's going to be here. Gail or Bob is going to get back to you. And guess what, folks? You're going to have a sale on your hands. You're going to say, hey, Scott, thanks very much. I like to meet with my team once a week as well. So I'm always open to my team for any questions, but this is very self-explanatory, and I'm showing you the simplest way to do it. But of course, if you do not go the multiple income funnel route, I'm still going to, if you start at gold, I'm going to send 100 clicks. If you start at platinum, I'm going to send 2. If you start at diamond, I'm going to send 400. You just won't get the 1 level upgrade, okay? I will still give you the Powerline Hub, but then if you get the Powerline Hub, it makes sense to put all your income streams in one link, 4 income streams, and this is the traffic right here that I'm going to get for you. I just purchased traffic myself, because when you send traffic to this system, it does all the work for you 24/7, 365. All right, folks, so make sure you smash the subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video from me again. Make sure you go down in the description, follow the instructions, put your email in here, review everything. Also, make sure in the instructions you check out multiple income funnel and the instructions there once you get started, so I can set this up for you. Even if you can't copy and paste, if you can copy and paste, I'll send this on a Google document to you so you can put this in very, very simple. I look forward to connecting with you all, and I hope you have a great day, and bye for now.